Let us learn how to draw a lens today. We're drawing a biconvex lens, for which we just make a straight line with the help of a ruler. This line will help us locate points. Now let's measure. Let's take a compass and measure. So this is 5 centimeter. You can take any measurement, so whatever you feel like, and let's keep the compass somewhere on this line, and then let's draw this. We've drawn an arc. We are going to label this point because this will serve as a center of curvature. Later on, depending upon the thickness of the lens that you want, you keep the rounder on the other side. You need to ensure that it's there on the line itself, same line, and then you just cut this and then mark this point as well. Let's just quickly erase these. So this looks like a proper lens. Now let's keep the scale and roughly see where is this line cutting, and let's take an approximate center of the lens. This will serve as our optical center. Now when I keep my scale between this optical center and this, I take that this is somewhere around 4.4, so half of it will be 2.2. Again, with approximation, let's take this, and this will serve as the focus. This was your center of curvature, which will be 2f, and this will serve as the focus. Since this is on the left side, we label it as f1 and 2f1. This is the optical center, and now again measure. This is coming the same distance, 4.4. half of this will be 2.2, and let's name this as focus 2 and this one as 2f2, and there we go. Your convex lens is ready. Similarly, concave lens, let's again draw the line. Let's take the same distance. This is not as tight, so with the force of my hand it changes from 5 to something less. Okay, so I've taken it again as 5. Keep it somewhere on the line and then draw this once again. Mark this, and then let's keep the same on the other side, keeping in mind the thickness you want for the lens. So you want this thickness, and here it is. Let's label this point here, and then we can close the loops here, and here it is. This is a convex lens. Now you can notice that this is slightly thicker. You can arrange or adjust the thickness according to your lens preference. So here it is. Again, let's just figure out a center, taking an approximate center here. You can take it visually also, and then let's measure. This is 5.5, so approximately we will take 2.3 here, right? So this will be 2f1 and this is f1. This is optical center, this is 2f2, and similarly in between this is again 5.5. so we take this as this is 5.6 rather, so let's take it as 2.8. here, and there it goes. Your lenses are ready.